Hello everyone, welcome to the DIY Dance. Today I'm going to share these 4 beautiful watercolor paintings, easy ones that you can make. So I have traced a fair scene of a village. I have done the sky with blue and a little bit of yellow, and then I'm going to paint the stalls with orange and given some shadings also. Now using these brown colors of different shades, I'm going to make some highlights over it. For the ground I'm using this shade, and for the faces I'm using skin color. And then I have just added some more highlights, and this is how it looks. Next, move ahead. I have traced a man who is holding balloons. So like this, I am going to fill all the balloons with different shades and going to give some of the details and highlights all over the balloons like this. And now using skin color only, I'm going to paint its face and legs. For his t-shirt I'm using red color, and I'm going to give some highlights in his pants also. For the face I'm using skin color. And this is the final look. For the next one I have applied water on the page first, and then I'm using black color and making it light as I move to the low part of the painting. So like this, by mixing some shades of yellow, green, I'm making the land, and then with brown only I'm using to make the tree, and this is how it looks. For the house I'm using orange, like this. I'm using brown to make the kacha road, and this is done. Now for the last one I have mixed grey, yellow, orange, blue and given some highlights. So this is a painting of the lighthouse. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.